Welcome back to the channel Deep Sleep English, the podcast where you learn English naturally while listening to real conversation.
Yes, please. And subscribe to Deep Sleep English. When you subscribe, you help us make more and more podcasts for you.
And share this. If you have a friend who wants to speak English fast, send this episode to them. It helps everyone.
Hi, we're really happy you're here today.
Yeah, thank you for listening and spending your time with us.
My name is Emma. I'm from the United States.
And I'm Alex. I'm also from the U.S.
This is a place where we talk about real life in simple English.
No teachers, no tests, no pressure.
Just two friends talking, slowly and clearly.
And today's topic is very special.
Yes, very special.
Today, we're talking about simple English for shy or quiet people.
I really love this topic
Me too.
because I was a shy person.
Really?
Yes, very shy.
That's hard to imagine.
I know, people say that now, but when I was younger, I was very quiet.
Yeah, same here, actually.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't talk much in class.
Me neither.
I always thought, what if I say something wrong?
Oh, wow. I thought the same thing.
And that feeling is even stronger in English.
Yes, especially if English is not your first language.
So if you are listening right now,
And you are shy
or quiet,
or nervous to speak English,
this conversation is for you.
you are not alone.
Emma, can I ask you something?
Of course.
When you were shy, what was the hardest part about talking?
I think the hardest part was starting.
Starting.
Yeah, the first word.
Once I started talking, it was okay.
But before that?
My heart was beating fast.
Same.
My hands felt cold.
Oh yes, cold hands.
And my mind was empty.
Empty.
No words. Nothing.
That is very real.
Yeah,
I think many shy people feel that
especially in English.
because we think
What if I say something wrong?
people will laugh.
I will make a mistake.
Let me say something important.
Okay,
Making mistakes is normal.
very normal.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Native speakers, too.
Yes, even in our own language.
Emma, do you remember a time you felt shy speaking English?
Yes, even though I'm a native speaker.
Really?
Yes.
Tell us.
Okay, when I was in college,
Uh-huh.
I had to speak in front of the class.
Oh, no.
I hated it. I spoke very fast. And after, I thought, that was terrible.
But was it?
No.
See?
People said I did fine.
That's interesting.
Why?
Because in our heads,
Everything feels worse.
yes, much worse.
So let's talk about simple English for shy people.
Yes, simple English is powerful.
You don't need big words.
You don't need long sentences.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You just need...
Clear ideas.
Let's give an example.
Good idea.
Imagine you meet someone new.
Okay.
You're shy.
Very shy.
You don't know what to say.
Your mind is blank.
You don't need a long sentence.
Right.
You can say, "Hi, I'm Alex,"
That's it. Simple.
or "Nice to meet you."
Very simple. Shy people often think they need to talk a lot.
But that's not true.
Listening is also communication.
Yes,
Quiet people are often good listeners.
that's a strength.
Let me ask you, Alex.
Okay,
Do you like people who talk all the time?
not really.
Me neither.
Sometimes quiet people feel more comfortable.
Yes. So here's something important for shy learners.
What is it?
You don't need to change who you are.
That's big.
You can be quiet.
And still speak English well. Let's talk about easy phrases.
Oh, yes.
Phrases shy people can use every day.
I love that.
Phrase 1.
Okay.
I'm a little shy.
That's honest.
Very honest.
And people understand. Phrase 2.
Can you speak slowly, please?
Very useful.
Not rude at all. Phrase 3.
Let me think.
Oh, I use that a lot.
Me too.
It gives you time.
Time is important.
Yes,
Shy people need time.
and that's okay.
I want to share a small story.
Please do.
I had a student once.
Uh-huh.
She was very quiet.
Okay.
She almost never spoke.
That's tough.
But one day,
What happened?
she said one sentence.
Just one?
Yes.
And...
Everyone smiled.
Aw,
That one sentence meant a lot.
that's beautiful.
It shows something important.
What's that?
Small steps matter.
You don't need to speak for 5 minutes.
One sentence is enough.
Even one word sometimes.
Yes.
Let's talk about fear.
Okay.
Fear is real.
Very real.
Fear of mistakes.
Fear of judgment.
Fear of silence.
Silence is interesting.
How so?
Silence is not bad.
True.
In some cultures, silence is normal.
Yes,
You don't need to fill every moment.
I like that.
Me too.
Emma, what advice would you give to a shy English learner?
I would say,
Take your time.
yes,
Be kind to yourself.
very important.
And practice in safe places.
Like this podcast.
Exactly.
Or practice with a friend.
Or alone.
Talk to yourself.
I do that.
Me too.
Before we finish,
Yes?
I want to say something to our listeners.
Go ahead.
If you are shy,
You are not weak.
you are thoughtful,
You are careful.
and you can learn English.
Step by step. You don't need to be loud.
You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to be you.
Smiles.
Smiles.
Thank you for listening today.
Thank you for being here with us.
We hope this conversation helped you feel calmer,
And more confident.
even just a little.
Remember,
Simple English is powerful,
quiet voices matter.
and your English journey is yours.
See you next time.
Bye for now.